So today we're going to be making oatmeal cookies. I just wanted to say, first of all, I did not use the exact measurements because I couldn't find them, but they still came out good. So just wanted to let you know that. So first of all, I used some old-fashioned oats, and then I used some all-purpose flour. By the way, the exact recipe and the exact measurements will be in the description if you want them. Then you're supposed to add some baking soda and baking powder, but I didn't have no baking soda, so I just used a little bit extra of baking powder. Also in this recipe, you're supposed to add honey, but I couldn't open the jar, so I didn't put it in, but it came out good anyway. So then after that, you're going to be adding some salt. Then you're going to be adding some granulated sugar. Then you're just going to kind of gently mix that up. Don't mix it too much or it'll make a mess. Then you're going to add some vanilla extract. You're going to be adding 1 egg. And then you're going to be adding softened butter or melted butter works. But I prefer melted because it's just easier to mix up. Then you're just going to mix it up. And it should look like this when it's all mixed up. Then you're going to go and preheat your oven to 350. I just kind of did it a few minutes beforehand and it was fine. Then you're going to be rolling out the cookies. I just eyeballed it. I don't need them to be exactly all even, but you know. Then you're going to smush them down so they're just flatter and they flatten out easier when they cook. Then you're just going to bake them for 11 to 15 minutes, but I put mine in for 14 minutes. Look how good they look. They're so delicious, and when they cool, they get crunchy too. Okay, back to the vlog now.